Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. We're giving away one of these items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of June. It is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one, as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on. And then I also have another one coming up, I think in my next video, so make sure, another giveaway, so make sure to be on the lookout for that one as well. Giveaway is really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know to enter this giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do giveaways a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Aesthetica Be Fierce palette. And I mainly have these shades right here on my eyes today. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription, makeup, skincare. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. It'll save you a little bit of money and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is down in the description box. It's just kind of there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. Obviously, no obligation to do so. So let's jump right in. Oh, we're going to see if I can do this without my glasses. We will see. So, this side's kind of easy. Look how cute this is. A little mesh bag. Looks like a little orange tag here. This is show your colors. Summer's coming in hot. Turn up the heat with bold styles and vibrant shades that show what makes you one of a kind. After all, there's no hue as unique as you. First item in here is from Sand and Sky. It's Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser. It's a multitasker. It's out here doing it all for your skin. Deep cleaning, exfoliating, brightening, and helping to minimize pore size in just 30 seconds. It's all thanks to a blend of botanicals that physically buff away dead skin cells, detoxifying and pore minimizing pink clay. Tip, lather into a foam or wet palms, then massage over dry skin for a maximum cleansing effect. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $30. Most of the items that you do get in the Glam bag are all deluxe size items. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size. There's at least 2 full size items in the bag today, so I'm super happy with that. From Lottie London is an AM to PM eyeliner in Velvet. Finally, an eyeliner that requires no touch-ups. This long wear formula, fresh from your morning coffee to happy hour and beyond. No smearing, smudging, or fading. Add the creamy gel-like texture. It glides on your lids and lash like butter. Tip, smudge the liner along your upper and lash lines and blend. This is a full-size product that retails for $6. From LaRousse Beauty is the LR120 Tapered Blending in Gray. The tapered brush has soft synthetic bristles that effortlessly blend their powder products for a diffused finish. It's the perfect size and shape for blending your shadows in the crease of your lids and your highlighter on your nose and brow bone. Tip, use this brush with your eyeshadows to blend transition shades or layer on colors. This is a full size, just retail for $28. So right there, you paid for your bag. From Half Caked is a Mirror highlighter in Fortune Faded. Candlelit Glow has nothing on this highlighter. The buttery soft luminous rosy powder melts right into your skin for a high impact sheen that catches the light from every angle. No glitter required. Tip: dust in with a brush or wet it with setting powder to amp up the shine. This is the deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $14. It looks like this. And finally, I don't think I've ever seen an eyeshadow palette in a glam bag, because usually they kind of maybe put a single eyeshadow but not a full palette. So this is Beauty Creations Cosmetic Britney's eyeshadow palette, curated by creator Britney Murillo. This is 12 shade eyeshadow palette, has a perfect mix of blues, purples, and neutral mattes, and shimmers to create the ultimate colorful look. A Britney go-to. Tip: apply the glittery shades using your fingers for an all-impact shine. Full size, which this is, retails for $17. Ooh, it's really pretty. So there's a mirror on this side. Here is what she looks like. I think this one here is a glitter shade. Let's go ahead and do some swatches of this really quick. Ooh, very, very creamy consistency. Oh my goodness. You guys have got to look at this silver glitter shade. So here is that top row. Look at that, how that just stands out. And it's not chunky either. It's really finely milled. So here's that top row. Now let's do that middle row. These mattes are so creamy. I mean, look at that. It's just stunning, stunning, stunning. Sorry, somebody just started their lawnmower up outside. Then let's do the bottom row really quick. That's really pretty, this one here. It's kind of got a marble effect to it. They're so creamy. For 17 bucks, you guys, these are pretty good. I mean, that's one swipe, you guys. Secret word is sand. So I thought it was a pretty good bag. You mainly got it like makeup type items. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's do giveaway today that Australian pink clay. I just have very dry skin. I can't do clay cleansers. They just dry out my skin too much. So I'd much rather pass this around to one of you guys. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word and also your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you mark on the form if you did the bonus entries, but only mark on them if you did do them, because I do check. And how you get bonus entries is one, if you follow me over on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. 2, if you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. And then your third way is if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help, so if you can help me out with that, that would be great. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. It is open internationally. I am the not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through July 8th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on July 13th, what I'll do is I'll take all the first names and first initial of your last name, put that in to the computer, and if there's bonus entries, and I check that you've done them, and we'll put those in. The computer spins it around, and we all see it, and because there's no fun business here on the channel. And that's how we will all pick the winners on July 13th of all of my prior month's giveaways. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't create a distribution list. I don't sell your information. I don't share your information. I am the only one that has access to that. As soon as the giveaway is over, I delete all of those forms. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.